Hi everyone, this is Gurmail here and I am a health coach. Welcome to this new week, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a very simple recipe. Alright, it's vegetarian, it's full of protein, it's very simple to make, that's why I've chosen it. And the reason why I'm making this recipe is because I want to share it with you is because my purpose is to help 1,000 people be healthy by making very little changes in their life. Alright, simple changes in their life so that they can lead healthy lifestyles and hopefully not taking any medication. So that's my purpose. Now, with that purpose in mind, I choose simple recipes that you could make for yourself and your family. Okay, so what I call today's recipe is it's quinoa. It's quinoa and greens recipe. Alright, and I'll just show you what we've got here. We've got coconut oil, cooked quinoa, half a cup of cooked quinoa. We've got a handful of kale, handful of baby spinach. We've got a boiled egg. We've got garlic, chopped up almonds, avocado, salt, halloumi cheese, and some lemon. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Look out for the recipe tomorrow. I'll write the recipe down tomorrow and post it up. And so just about the egg that I've got here. Now it's your choice what kind of egg you want, whether you want a runny egg, you want an omelette, you want a soft boiled egg. I like hard boiled eggs, so that's how I've done it. So mine is a hard boiled egg, okay? So that's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start now. Okay, so I've got, so bear with me. So I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay. Okay, there you go. Alright. We're just going to let that melt. Okay. So we're going to let the coconut oil melt a bit. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to add the garlic. Yeah. And I mean, at the end of it, hopefully you'll get time to make it and leave some comments so that, yeah, tell us how you go, if you like the recipe, and if you have made any changes. And it's really easy if you want to make it non-vegetarian. It's really easy to add any kind of meat in it. So I leave that to you, okay? Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in the garlic. Okay. So just, excuse me, just let it cook. Okay. We're going to let the garlic cook here. Okay, let it smell, let it be a little brown, smelling nice. And then the next thing we're going to do is, so this is just one clove of garlic, crushed and chopped fine, okay? And so the next thing we're going to put is just a handful of almonds, just very 10 to 15 almonds, right? That's what we're going to do. It's sizzling here. The garlic is sizzling and then the almonds go in. Okay. Smelling good, smelling nice with the coconut oil. Okay, what we're going to do now is I'm going to put in the almonds. Okay. Almonds done. the almonds are around a bit. This is a nice recipe to have on an early winter morning when it's cold out there and you're cold, and this is like a warm breakfast. Alright, and it's easy to make. It's yummy. Okay, the next thing to go in will be the quinoa. Okay. How to cook the quinoa? If you were to buy a packet of quinoa, there will be instruction on it. Otherwise, you can easily let me know. I have a recipe for it and I can pass it on to you. Alright, and if you have any other questions about the recipe, just feel free to message me. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is, this is half a cup of cooked quinoa. Alright. Smelling really good with the almonds. Alright, so that you just want to stir in the quinoa because it's already cooked. You just want to stir it in before you add in the greens. The quinoa is gluten free. It's a good carb for you to have. It's no GI, so that's why we've chosen quinoa. Okay, so you just want to run it through. Okay, so once that's done, because it's cooked, what we're going to add in now is the handful of kale and a handful of baby spinach. Okay. And what we're going to do is add a bit of salt. Drizzle some salt over. You can add more later, that's fine. It's smelling really good, guys. Try it and let me know how you go. You just want to get that green, bright green color of the greens, and that's it. You take it out of this wok. Okay, so that's done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put everything into this bowl. Okay. Okay, almost there. Got the last bits left. Oh, I'm hungry. Ooh, smells yum. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to put, I've got 3 pieces of halloumi cheese, which I'm just going to add in. We're going to brown that. Okay. And the next thing that's going to go in here is the egg. Alright, you just want to cook the egg, just coat it a bit. Alright, and so like I said, with the halloumi cheese, what you want to do is, if you don't want long pieces like that, you can always chop it up to what size you want. And with the egg, again, it's your option. What kind of egg do you like? You want it runny, you want it scrambled, you want it omelette? Totally up to you. Alright, so you're just going to cook, make it slightly brown. And then now I'm just going to add in the egg. Okay, let's toss it around. Okay, that's what we're doing, we're just browning it. It's almost done. You can add more coconut oil if you want to, before you add in the halloumi cheese, yeah? Okay, the halloumi is done. It's brown. If you look at it, it's closer. Yep, it's brown. And so is the egg. Okay, I'm going to turn off the fire. And okay. Again, it's optional. You can just put it like that, or you can chop it up first. Okay, what I'm going to do now, this is the last bit that's left. Okay, out here, I'm just going to slice some avocado. Okay. Depending if you love avocado like me, you can have more pieces. If you're not so keen, you can just have a few pieces here. Alright. One more piece here. Alright, there you go. All done. Just put it nicely. Yep. Okay, that's all done. And then let's squeeze some lemon. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Alright, so alright, that's it guys. So with this lemon, so if you don't want to put any salt in the beginning, that's up to you. If you really want less salt, and just stick with the lemon. Alright, so that's it for today. Now I really hope you enjoy this recipe and try it. You can have it any time of the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and it's full of protein, and it's got quinoa, which is gluten-free, it's vegetarian, so you can't beat this. Alright, so till I see you again, bye.